Hey there, budget enthusiasts. Welcome back to another helpful tutorial on YNAB, or You Need a Budget, the app that's revolutionizing how we handle our finances. Today, we're tackling something fun and practical: how to create a wish farm. If you're new here, a wish farm is basically a dedicated savings category for those someday dreams, like buying a new gadget, planning a vacation, or treating yourself to something special. It's a smart way to build up funds without derailing your everyday budget. First things first, make sure you're logged into your YNAB account. Once you're in, head over to the Budget tab. That's your main hub for managing money. Now, scroll down to the Categories section. This is where the magic happens. Click on Add Category, and give it a fun name, like Wish Farm, or something more specific, such as Vacation Fund. Be creative, it'll keep you motivated. Next, set a goal for your wish farm to make it official. YNAB lets you choose from options like a target date or a monthly contribution amount. For example, if you're saving for a $500 gadget, you could aim to add $50 each month. This way, YNAB will track your progress automatically and even notify you when you're getting close. Talk about satisfying. Don't forget to allocate money to your wish farm regularly. Every time you get paid or review your budget, assign some funds from your available money. The key is consistency. Even small amounts add up over time. And remember, always prioritize your essential categories like rent and groceries before funneling money here. Once your wish farm is set up, you'll love watching it grow. It's not just about saving, it's about turning your wishes into reality without the guilt. If you follow this, you'll stay on top of your finances and feel more in control. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more YNAB tips. See you next time.